What's up, guys? This is Eric from Crazy Rides Inc., our YouTube channel. Thanks for being with us. We're here at Treasure Coast Harley Davidson here in Stuart, Florida. And we're going to go check out my bike build, actually, that's going on as we speak. We're going to go inside, and the general manager is going to tell us exactly what they did to the bike and what is going to be done as well. Also, don't forget, today's Halloween, October 31st. Tonight, I think between 6 and 8 tonight, they're having a Halloween party here at Treasure Coast Harley Davidson. Don't miss it, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, we're coming inside to Treasure Coast Harley Davidson. Check out these brand new bikes. The 2020s are here, and they're going to be going out because it's almost 2021. But these bikes are well priced, and they're looking to move them. So you got to come here, Treasure Coast Harley Davidson, get yourself a good deal. That's where I got my bike from. And don't miss out. Don't miss out. We got Sean, general manager out there. Great guy. Say hello, Sean. The morning wave. Morning wave. They got beautiful bikes here. Don't miss out. Next, we'll see inside the dyno room.
You want to go sailing? Here is the Treasure Coast Harley Davidson sailboat. It's been an icon here since this place is open.
What's up, guys? We're in the back. We're going to the dyno. Check out my bike. Come on. Okay, we're here with Cody.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Cody.
Cody's going to tell us what was done to the bike, as well as what's going to be done to the bike.
Okay, so far, we've got the 131 Harley Davidson motor put in. Got your Reinhardt exhaust going here. Got a Screaming Eagle breather on there. So the bike's going to be fast as sin, man. So we're seeing 135 foot-pounds of torque out of these 131s on dyno sheets.
Yeah.
Next up, man, we got some big stuff coming. So we've got the native bagger fat front end kit going on there.
That's going to look sick.
That's going to look nasty.
Yeah.
Now that's a cool kit. If you haven't seen it yet, it's an exciting kit. Really pops the front end of the bike. And then we're going to the dirty air lowered front and back. So we're doing the front and the back of the bike's going to have air ride. It's going to be a nasty, nasty Zephyr Blue Road Glide Ultra once it's said and done. Man, we're excited about it. We definitely are, man.
Yeah, so am I.
Yeah, cannot wait, man.
And also, we're getting the radio done.
Yep. So we've got the
Stage
Rockford
3, right?
Fosgate Stage 3 radio going in there. So it upgrades the existing sound system, really ties the bike together, really gives you great sound all around the bike. So you don't get that centralized front sound.
Right,
You got that
right.
sound going everywhere through the bike, man.
Yeah, I brought the seats.
See.
The seats are in the back. We'll get to them because they put it back there for safety. So
There we go. Safety third, guys.
Yeah,
Safety third.
Yeah. So you know what? Let's start it up.
Yeah,
Because Tim said it was all right to start up.
Okay. Here we go. Tim, you heard him say it.
Let's hear this animal.
Got that big old green neutral light. Here we go, guys. Here we go.
That looks good.
some
louder
on.
than you now, man.
I know.
That's got
I
some
can't
sound
buy-
to
That's
it.
why I have a
Come on,
bigger
get the
speaker
camera
system.
going.
Yeah.
Uh,
So I see now you have the floor pack will have it has the quick release on it. Normally these bikes don't come with a quick release.
Yep, detachable tour
they
pack.
can't hear you, Richie. We got the mics.
Got a
Also, they got
detachable tour pack going on there, so you can pop
have-
that right off. You got the
we have
LED
the
we
lights.
got
fill-ins.
the LEDs, and we
Okay.
got the fog lights up front. That looks good. That looks really good.
And then he's got the directionals.
The directionals are on.
The fangs.
They're also putting on for me the lower
LED,
fairing
lower fairing
LEDs, also turn signals, as well as the windshield trim lighting LEDs, sequential turning signal. So it's I can't wait till it's done.
It's a nasty bike,
You know,
man. Cannot
this
wait
is-
to see the finish.
This is just a dream to me. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah,
It's
it's
been
coming.
here so long already.
Man, it's coming, man. We're excited for
I
it.
can't wait. I can't wait. Yeah. Yeah. So, all right, guys. Well, you got to see my bike.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
right, the handlebars,
baby.
the hand grips,
Brand.
What did we do on here? These are factory 47.
the LA
right?
choppers.
LA choppers. LA choppers.
LA choppers,
Yep.
1.5 inch.
Yeah, 14s, right?
They're 12.
12. We
Perfect.
did. You got the heated grips on here.
Yeah, the air ride heated grips.
Yeah, man.
I see they also punched out some holes. Right?
Yeah.
You're getting ready for something to put there, some switches.
Oh yeah. That's where your air ride's going in, right?
You know?
Oh yeah.
So, all right, guys. Thanks for sharing this moment with us. Thank
We'll
you,
see
Cody.
you guys soon, man.
Thank you,
See
Cody.
you guys real soon.
And stay tuned. More to come. Thank you.